Jamaican hummingbird that the national bird. See how she beautiful. Good morning.
Now, after millions of years, pollination partnerships occur.
And the hibiscus, the Jamaican flower that national flower that Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Also in some of the
Proud Jamaican, stand strong, Yeah, software engineer and I came from the island, Little lady. Wagwan. Daddy come bright up in the morning,
I live here too.
Guess what? We're going to the doctor today. We're going to the doctor today. Somebody standing. Yeah. Somebody standing. Yeah. That's right. Whoa. Gotcha. Daddy, we always did it because you fall, mommy. Always. That's right.
She say I'm a nigga from the trenches.
With an accent.
Why you asking me who shot your homie? Why you asking? You get my number, you post it on the gram, you moving backwards.
That's right. But who the ghost of Pookie? Gucci call your punk. Yo, I'm a demon friend. That me I tell you. I wish I would be a doctor. Why do you me choose to be a software engineer? Hey, me met more than some doctors. That's alright. But anyway, it's your boy Donny British man. How you guys are doing? Me and my daughter and my wife is out here.
My mask is upside down.
My mask upside down?
Yeah.
Oh shit, what do you mean upside down?
Like, the bottom part needs to be on the top.
Man, they say they're in America today. That's alright. My mask is upside down. The bottom will be on the top. Yo, but anyway, may I bring my girl in so she can resume getting her shots. This is what, round 2? So we are heading for round 2. Time. Cutie fruity.
Doctor, you ready? She's still, but her voice changed, and when she cried, I don't think it didn't sound like she was in pain, but it sounded very off,
When
like
was
different.
that?
Hey. You ready?
She was 18 pounds.
Hey, Vivi. So you okay? You good? Life after shots. Yeah, doctor say you're healthy, man. That was a success. Yo. What me I go do now? What me I go do? Food for eat. We have to go get some pickle. Yeah, pickle, Right now, I make a tons of trade. Right now, I think me up like 90% right now, but my dollar. Or probably like 70. If it not up 90, it probably down to like 70% right now. So just I go and make some money while me chill. Yeah, because paid time off. Come took the day. Make a bunch of money in a crypto over, I want to say 70%. And now go get some food. And then yeah. That's really it, really. Oh man, the air is so amazing up here. That's right. outside where the bugs live. Where the bugs live. Anyway, we need to re-up. I wanna me thing them so. Yeah, the bamboo kite. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, need to re-up on this. Yeah. Ooh, that smell nice. That smell nice. Smell nice. Smell nice. Smell nice. Chop the yard for me. Yeah, perfect, perfect. See, this is why. Yeah, man, the guys them start chop the yard, man. Yeah, jump with the guys them now. Line up, yeah, man. Start chop the yard, chop. That's nice. That's nice. Look at that. Yeah, man. Windy. Such a windy day. Man. Now we just realize like the roses give up. We used to have a white rose when we did plant, you know. And when we did plant it, we plant the white rose somewhere half here, so one day I deliver some dirt, you know. And run the truck tire over the blood clot rose. Some if you come back up, you do come back up sometimes it's come back up when it feels like it's weird. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. And we find up my girl pepper spray. Yeah, so when she have a jog or whatever she a do with that morning, she can have it and spray somebody, you know? Whew, this breeze is something else, buddy. Hear that? Oh, God, you hear the breeze of it? I hear pepper spray. Shot somebody with it. Pow, pow, pow. Okay.
Have you used it?
No? Yeah, me shoot it just a while ago.
Oh, how does it shoot out?
Like a stream of pepper. it red.
I've been wanting to keep this on you when it's just Ivy and I.
It's just red, yeah, like a stream of pepper. Okay, freeze damn door, you know. I'm not gonna look for that sitting there freeze door now. Put this in our access now. I'm back I do the most right now. This is the reality of a successful person. See me? When I sit down in my vehicle, I go through my paperwork. I gotta check. First and foremost, I gotta check. Shout out to that. I don't know why they never direct deposit me that. Then I got one insurance card for my truck. So that's for the truck. This is for the Range Rover. And where my next insurance? Let's go some. And then okay, and this is for the Subi. Okay, the next car. Okay. So that's 3 insurance. So that's Geico's insurance documents. Take that out of the way. Okay, this is taxable. Okay, let me see this. Let me see how much tax I have to pay. Let me see how much taxes. How much taxes I have to pay on this? Let's go see. What? Did they collect taxes out of this? Because it said they pay me $6,203. But me never get $6,203. Me get $5,400. Me just tell a man this is for the truck. And then I just like retirement. Yeah, yes. Free people them down. Roll, me I go for a roll up sit here on one light before I move. Woo! What happened? What God? Yeah. 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 That's right. Say you're cute. Say you're cute. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. That's right. What happened? Daddy's daughter. What go on? Where you go on with? Eh? Daddy's daughter, you know? Yeah. Yeah, D-Money voice. When you don't see D-Money, I look, where D-Money there? Like she said, wait there, man. Which voice that? She said, D-Money, yeah. Yeah, Uncle D-Money outside. Silly chick. Yeah. Hum. Why you sell?
Where's your binky? Daddy, have your binky?
Do I? My girl say I am not the easiest man to deal with.
Definitely not.
Why you say that? Why you feel like I am not the easiest man to deal with? Or why did you make the comment that majority of women could not deal with me?
Because it's your way or no way. And a lot of people these days are about doing
Their way.
what they want.
But I don't really feel like it's 100% my way, or you know, I feel like you disagree.
I mean,
I feel like it probably like 70-30 split.
I mean, when it comes to like serious things, you come to me about it. But when it comes to like everyday, how to describe it?
Yeah, kind of
When it comes to like everyday or just like
simple
basic
stuff.
things.
Yeah, I can't deal with it.
And you speak your mind, and I feel like a lot of men don't speak their mind to
Oh yeah,
their partner.
yeah.
And I feel like
A lot of partner
I feel
can't
like a lot
handle you
of women
speaking your mind.
get away with treating their man a certain way, like
Right.
tell him to shut up and all that shit. Like, I don't tell you to shut up. When have I ever told you to shut up?
Yeah, I've never had that experience with a woman though. Telling me to shut up. My
But
God,
exactly,
I can't
but-
imagine that.
but-
I cannot imagine a woman looking at me.
But there goes that's the masculinity and the alpha male that your aura that you have to where you've never.
I've seen it.
Like a lot of.
Yeah, I've seen it. I've seen it.
Can like.
I've heard it.
down their men.
Yeah, like the other day when I hear someone scream at them men, I was like, that man.
But
I was
also,
like, what the
I feel
hell?
like other women can't grasp the concept that I'm a stay-at-home mom.
Right.
I take care of Ivy and home.
Then
and
I
food
provide.
and shopping, and you provide.
Right.
But I make sure everything's good at home and teaching Ivy.
Right. And I'm a software
But
engineer.
I understand my boundaries with money, how it should be spent.
Right. Yeah,
Where
you
it
really
should be
budget
spent.
well. You budget well.
And I also respect your boundaries more because I feel like I don't have the right to step over your toes because I have the luxury of being a stay-at-home mom, and I'm truly grateful for that. So I also feel like, you know, I take your boundaries and what you say and how you want things more because I have the freedom to not go to work.
Right, right.
And I feel like a lot of other women wouldn't see it my way. They'd still think, oh, well, I'm, you know, myself and I want to, you know, they'll still go spend the money or still act the way they want or still talk back to you and still, you know, have that entitlement even though they're not saying a stay-at-home mom is easy. I mean, it's not, it's easy. The fuck. but let's be real. I mean, it's hard, but it's easy. It's overwhelming, but it's easy. There you
Right.
go. But there's not a lot. Shit, I be on that TikTok. Let's be real. There's a lot of women who are on there who bitch and complain.
Right.
And this is my first child, and
It's pretty
I
easy
must
to
have gotten lucky with the easiest baby, because it's pretty fucking easy. I mean,
Right.
knock on wood, it's still in the easy or early stage, I should say, but we're not having a hard time with our child at all.
Right.
But I also think
Yeah, I
that's
would.
the love that we have for her too, and the enjoyment we have of actually being a parent.
Yeah, I think we're affectionate parents. Where there's a lot of compassion in the room. So it's never like, oh, this freaking kid remind me of your mother. Oh, you know what I mean? This is this kid just,
Or, oh, you're
Where
crying
you're-
again? Oh, you want to
Yeah.
be fed again? Oh, you need a diaper?
right.
Like,
And the balance between
Oh,
us
I
as
have to get
parents
up.
is because I feel like we always fighting over whose turn with the baby. You know what I mean? Unless both are in asleep, it's who more tired. You remember them? So them put in a community there.
yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe look at homes in
I think they said the hopes here going to start at like 500,000. That's pretty good. It's $1 million area.
I'm ready to see something new.
Africa.
Right?
Yeah. Ready to see about the Africa man.
What if I told you I wanted to go to Jamaica? What if I was like, fuck it, let's just go to Jamaica, and you keep your job still, but we would just live out there and like get a big property and build a house or have a house already?
It's a good question that. Jamaica.
To be honest, I think that's something I would.
I go Jamaica. I'm a king in Jamaica, you know.
I feel
Yeah,
like that would be
I'm a-
more something I would want to do when we're older. Maybe like when Ivy's already like our children are like established and
Right.
stuff.
Because I would have just sell the range, sell the truck, liquidate all my assets, go
What
down,
are you talking about, baby? You
I-
would be liquidating
be a mega billionaire.
the Cullinan and the Ghosts and the Bentleys.
Oh, you mean in my old
Yeah.
age? I mean, I say, which color it goes at Bentley? I say, you think I'm Mr. Organic this?
You're thinking small, baby. You're still thinking range, and we gotta upgrade. You
No,
know,
me,
we're
I
gonna
think
be
right now, my life right now.
Oh, did you
That's
see that deer on the side of the road?
that in Viget.
It was all dead.
Yeah, last year we never have no vehicle. You know why? Because of one of them deers.
No, that was not that year. That was the year before.
It was the
that.
year before, but last year I never had my vehicle.
That wasn't because of the deer, though.
That was because of
Well,
the deer.
the main source is because of the deer.
Right. Blue cheese, buddy. But yo, this, you hear people have talked about In-N-Out Burger is the best burger and this, that, and the third. You know, it's all their opinion, their perspective. I disagree, but this is the best chicken and fries you'll ever get in Cali. Yeah, from a place called Kiki's, right? Kiki's Chicken and Fries. Yeah, man. Tough. But yeah, me have to show you, man. Yeah, look there. Yo, the fries 100% nice, man. No extra oil nor, you know? No extra oil nor nothing, man. Look there. Chicken nice and juicy. Someone the on camera talk about chicken succulent. Yo, them don't know about succulent chicken, man. It's nice, you know? Only Moko me feel like can't make food like this, you know? Moko's Kitchen on YouTube. Yeah, that was smack locking. Yeah, ain't no locking. But yo, you think people that's driving to a destination, right? Crash, dead, gone, boom, in the crash. You think them realize them dead? Like, it me no realization everything dead. But we are talking about afterlife business. You think them still are driving at the afterlife? Or them just dead? They're like, oh fuck me dead, you know. What's that afterlife experience? If you believe in the afterlife experience. This is a check. Okay. When you grow up, you have to get a lot of these. Yeah, of course I'm sure. When you come work, create your company, and partner up with businesses, and then give you checks. Okay? That's fine. I love you. I'll see you soon. Then you have to sign the back of this. And then take a picture with it on a mobile app, and you get deposited to your account. And then you give your mother the money, you know, you go already. Yeah, but this is a check. Yeah, that was a fun day. Yeah. Mama get her shots. Not true. Yeah. Mama get her shots, you know. And we just a big chill. True. We just a big chill right now. You know, she want her buckle right now. She want her butter right now, you know. But yeah, she got 2 shots in one leg. You can probably see the injection. And then she got 1 shot in the other. And then she got 1 oral. And that complete phase 2 of her shots. Another round is in the next what? When she's 6 months. Can I get some juice, mama? We out the orange juice. Ooh. I feel the burn. Yeah, man. Yeah. Big chillin'. That's right. Big chillin' like a villain. Yeah. Yeah, girl, see? Yeah, your father there, they kick it. That's right. That is girl. That is girl, you know. Anything she wants, she getting her. That is girl. That's right. So, yo, father-in-law, give me this. And the same see me. When him look at it, remind me, or remind him of me. So long, get on my face, you know. That means me I go out of space, you know. Yeah. You know, the first grabber the man give me, the universe know why he give me that egg grabber for. Because that egg grabber dry. You don't need to do this now. But screw that. After me build that, now pay me egg grabber bathe in the water to post the cloud. Are you ready to party? That's right. Completed now. See it there. Shout out to my pops-in-law. Oh, give me this. Yeah. That's amazing. I never had one of these. Let the party begin. That may I tell you. It.